Hello and welcome viewers to another segment of LiveExpertInterviews.tv. My name is Steve Young and thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're talking about a very important topic, and that topic is how to find a good chiropractor. Fortunately, joining us from Boise, Idaho is Dr. Jason Watson. Doc, thanks so much for joining us.
Great, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So, Doc, really the burning question that everybody has. I mean, I had a bad back. Everybody at some point is going to have a bad back or neck or pain in some fashion. How does somebody go and find a good chiropractor online? Maybe like the top 3 things that you could recommend.
Okay, great. The top 3 ways I would say someone should look for a chiropractor is first look at their schooling, their education, maybe what kind of certifications they have. Then you should find their website and look at how they practice. Look at what instruments and tools they have and how they actually help patients. And then thirdly, and most important probably, is their online reputation, to make sure they have decent Google reviews and those kind of things.
Doc, that makes perfect sense. I definitely like the part about the reputation and reviews. And, it's easy to say good things about yourself, but it's a whole nother ballgame when you've got other people saying really good things about you, and that's a good start for anyone looking for a chiropractor. So education, qualifications. You also said that the second thing would be experience, I think you said?
Experience and how they actually treat patients as far as what kind of instruments and tools they use or have available.
Awesome. And then lastly is check their reputation and reviews. I think that's fantastic advice. Doc, if someone was to come to your office and come to you, see you as needs a chiropractor, what type of an experience would they have at your office?
At my office is they would come in, and my friendly staff would greet them. We'd gather some important information, as well as then we would start them on a total body health evaluation. That health evaluation would include several scans like an EMG, a foot scan, possibly a body composition type scan, as well as some x-rays and films to see exactly what's going on inside their body and how their body's functioning. After that, then we'd have them come in for what we call a report of findings, and we'd explain everything we found in that health evaluation and how we can most quickly help them, as well as the most affordable way to help them.
I love that. That seems like a real detailed and thorough analysis and process that you had. How long does that typically take, Doc?
The first appointment with the health evaluation is anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the patient's individual needs. And then typically we'll do a follow-up visit with the report of findings once I have time to look at everything and go over that with them.
Fantastic. Doc, I know you said you have some very special things at your practice. How is your practice different from some of the other chiropractic practices in the marketplace?
Well, what I'd say sets my practice apart is we have a lot more instruments and tools which allow us to help more patients. So we have all the typical chiropractic things, where we adjust patients and do therapeutic exercise and massage. But then in addition, we have very unique forms of therapy that include things like whole body cryotherapy, and we do full blood and hair analysis and allergy testing, as well as lipo treatments and B12 injections, and just a host of things which allow us to treat a lot of different types of patients and conditions and ailments. So I literally had patients referred from other chiropractors because we had more ways to help these patients, where if you only adjust, you can only help certain things.
Wow, I love that holistic approach. I know that my chiropractic experience was a positive one. It was fantastic 20 years ago when I had a bad back getting out of the Marine Corps. But he was limited. He was very limited in the things that he provided. It was just, specifically for the bad back and adjusting and so forth. But all of those tools sounds like it's a great, well-rounded, complete program to be able to help people.
Right. Yeah. I think it's the best way to help, because often if they come in for one problem or one ailment, but we can help them improve their overall health as well as remove their symptoms.
I love it. Now, Doc, I know you said you do some very special things for new patients. What exactly is it you do for new patients?
For new patients, if they, if they found us online and they say they saw this video, then what we'll do is do all of that, what I just described with the health evaluation, report of finding, x-rays, and we'll do all that for only $17, which typically would cost several $100s. So it's a great way for them to get in, start care without breaking their bank.
Wow, I think that is unbelievable. So not only do you have the facilities, you've got all the different treatments to help people. Doc, who's your ideal patient? Tell me who, maybe your top 3 ideal patients. Who sees you the most? Who can you help the most?
We help a variety of type of patients. So we treat, I've treated 1-day-olds to 95-year-olds. So it's really, we're not necessarily what I'd call a pain clinic. We help a lot of patients with pain. However, we treat, autoimmune diseases to inflammatory diseases to typical neck and back and headache type patients, all the way through to allergies, asthma. So it's really a wide variety. I'd say we're a family practice. In fact, I treat a lot of families where I'm really their primary care physician, and then if it's something I can't handle, then I'll refer them out to other physicians as well.
I love it, Doc. Well, there you have it, viewers. If you're looking for a good chiropractor, go online, use the doc's advice. All right, look for their qualifications or certifications. Take a look at their experience. Check for their reputation and reviews to make sure that they've got good reviews from people. Doc, I want to thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Now, where can they? Well, your clinic is located exactly where?
Our clinic's on the corner of Boise Avenue and Law, which is 1521 East Boise Avenue in Boise, Idaho.
Great. So, viewers, if you're anywhere near Boise, Idaho, you need to go down and see the doc and visit him for all of your back, neck, and pain issues and other issues as well that I didn't even know that you treated, Doc. That's fantastic. Thank you, viewers, for another segment of LiveExpertInterviews.tv, and we'll see you on the next segment.